family. I can't just feel me a jet. I'm a flink up a fear jet.
Yeah, Medz.
Yeah.
Which night place?
Yeah, man, that's all you. Come on.
Love your love. We want love your love. Vegan love your love. Hey, girl, do it for me now. Yo, I see you. Yo, boy.
Hold on. It's from Medz.
David. There, man.
Feel good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Oh, easy back, you know. I just finished. Give it all thing, you know, brother. The tune, shot. Mad, you know. You see the flyer already? Yeah, man, I'm here. Some CD. You see? I'm going to find half a tree, get them on. You pass the girl, I'm going to find them. Yeah, man.
Mr. Rave Obsession reloaded. Yeah. So the party start down a oniels place that a half a ugly park. And if the party never I go shot me with the talk. So Mr. Officer me beg you do not lock it off. Admission only a grand before 1 o'clock. Ladies 2 for 1, 2 girls 2 a man. Hey, who no see the plan in any condition? Me say the party a for ram. Music by DjMedz Sunjock, calico straight to Flabba dabba Jamrock. Hey, you with a shot. Which party like that one and not another? Tell your mother, tell your cousin, tell your sister, tell your brother. Sick. Rave Obsession reloaded. Sick. The party have to shut up and you know this. Sick. Rave Obsession reloaded. Loaded. Me say my book a sexy girl body. See me style she love it off. Say she bad and she no play. No she want to broke it off. Me broke it fast, touch it fast. Wanna move and cut it off. No feel laugh, heart it no feel soft. When me touch upon the scene, dog me ever clean. Just fi buck me na the bed. That's where every girl a dream. And a hustle for the cream. Money the regime, dollar sign a me icon. That alone me pray. Tell them say party Rave Obsession. Medz him off fi shell it down. Charge you off fi dead. So the artist girl them better come. Call them up the highest weed and in the cup the liquor run. And creamy a big grab a bun, you hotter than the pepper bun. Aye, road it up, shut up, yeah, the real way. Dog me up for frost, fi about 3 days. When this drop it better than on replay. I for do that song for my DjMedz. When him a clash any sound he play dead. Yeah, charge it.